In the silent heart of the universe, there are places where time stops, light disappears, and the laws of physics shatter like glass. What secrets lie beyond the event horizon, and could they hold clues to how the universe truly began? Black holes are the most extreme objects ever discovered regions of space, so dense that not even light can escape their pull. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, leaving behind a core of infinite density called a singularity. For centuries, humans looked up at the night sky and saw beauty. Now we look deeper and see mysteries that defy everything we know about science and remind us how small we are before the Creator's vast design. If nothing escapes, how do we even know what's inside? In 1915, Albert Einstein published his theory of general relativity, predicting that gravity could bend space and time itself. 4 years later, astronomers observed light bending around the sun during an eclipse, the first proof Einstein was right. Decades later, in 1971, scientists discovered the first black hole candidate, Cygnus X1, emitting X-rays in deep space. Then in 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope gave humanity its first ever image of a black hole's shadow, glowing gas orbiting around a perfect circle of darkness. And yet, every time we look closer, the mystery only deepens. What's inside those black shadows might be stranger than science can handle. Physicists describe 5 deep mysteries inside black holes. The first is the singularity, a point where matter is crushed to infinite density, and the known laws of physics no longer work. The second is the event horizon, the invisible boundary where escape becomes impossible. What happens to information that falls in? According to Stephen Hawking, radiation slowly leaks out, but it may erase all details of what once fell inside. Third, the firewall paradox. If information escapes, then the event horizon might burn anything that touches it, but that violates relativity, which says you'd feel nothing crossing the horizon. Fourth, the wormhole theory. Einstein and Rosen suggested in 1935 that black holes could connect 2 distant points in space-time. Could a black hole be a doorway, not an end? And finally, the white hole hypothesis, the opposite of a black hole. Instead of pulling matter in, it explodes outward, ejecting everything. Yet not all scientists agree. Some say singularities don't truly exist. They're just signs that our math is incomplete. Others argue that quantum gravity could smooth them out. The firewall paradox divides experts. Some insist information is lost forever. Others claim it must survive, hidden in the quantum fluctuations of space. Even with the most powerful telescopes, we can only see the edge, never the inside. Everything beyond that is theory, not proof. As Muslims, we can see this humility before the unknown as part of faith, recognizing that only Allah's knowledge is complete and human science is still a work in progress. For the scientists studying these objects, black holes aren't just equations, they are obsessions. Decades of sleepless nights, supercomputers running non-stop, and telescopes spread across continents. These discoveries changed how humanity sees creation itself. Each new image, each new formula pushes us closer to understanding the vast order of the universe. It's a reminder that curiosity, when guided with humility, is one of the greatest gifts of the human mind. What would you feel staring into something that bends time itself? Black holes force us to rethink everything: time, space, and even reality. Imagine space-time as a soft sheet. Place a heavy ball on it and the sheet curves. Now imagine a mass so heavy that the sheet tears. That's a black hole. They show how fragile the universe's balance is. If black holes didn't exist, galaxies might never form. Gravity from their cores holds billions of stars together. Philosophers and physicists alike find meaning here. The order of creation is so precise, it points beyond chaos. Even in Islamic thought, the cosmos is a sign, a reminder of divine power and wisdom behind the fabric of existence. So far, we've uncovered 5 mysteries: singularities, event horizons, firewalls, wormholes, and white holes. We know black holes warp time and matter. We don't know what truly happens beyond the horizon. The next part asks the biggest question of all: where does this lead us? In the coming decades, new telescopes like the James Webb and next-generation gravitational detectors will probe deeper into these cosmic shadows. We may soon detect patterns in Hawking radiation or glimpses of wormhole-like behavior. But will we ever see inside a black hole? Most experts agree. The laws of physics themselves seem to guard that secret. Still, every discovery pushes the frontier forward, a reminder that science, at its best, is an act of wonder, and perhaps what lies beyond is not meant to be conquered, but understood as part of something infinitely greater. The universe is vast, mysterious, and precise, every law balanced perfectly, every mystery inviting reflection. Maybe the question isn't what's inside a black hole, but what black holes reveal about us, our hunger to know and our limits in knowing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. Watch our next video, 7 cosmic events that shouldn't be possible, to dive deeper into the universe's most mind-bending secrets.